In today's video, I'm going to show you ILIFE A30 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Review. The ILIFE A30 Pro is a mid-range robot vacuum that combines 5,000 pascals, suction power, LiDAR navigation, self-emptying capability, and a mop function into one package designed to make home cleaning mostly hands-off. With LiDAR plus SLAM mapping, it scans your rooms accurately, plans efficient routes, avoids obstacles, and lets you set no-go zones, virtual walls, and area-specific cleaning through the iLife Clean app, features often found on higher-end robots. Suction performance is a major highlight. At 5,000 pascals, the A30 Pro pulls up dust, crumbs, and especially pet hair on hard floors and low-medium carpets reliably. And its roller brush design helps with embedded debris that weaker bots miss. The integrated self-emptying station with a 2.5L dust bag is a genuine convenience boost. You can go weeks without manually emptying the bin, which is especially useful for busy households or pet owners. The mop feature lets the robot vacuum and mop in one pass, which maintains clean floors, though it's better suited for light to moderate messes rather than heavy stains or sticky spills. Some reviewers also find the 200 ml water tank a bit small for very large rooms, requiring quick refills during extended runs. Navigation works well overall. Battery life is decent, typically lasting around 150–180 minutes on standard settings before automatically returning to the base to recharge and continue where it left off. App control integrates well with Alexa and Google Assistant, providing easy voice commands, scheduling, and custom cleaning zones. However, it only uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so ensure your router supports that for seamless connectivity. Overall, the iLife A30 Pro stands out as a very strong budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop combo in 2026. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.